Looking to elevate your titles with stunning typography and advanced styling on your WordPress site? In this video, we are diving into the advanced heading block from Blocks, perfect for crafting headings with multiple text and creative borders. Whether you are looking to create simple heading, dynamic heading, or even animated heading, I'll guide you through setting it up and customizing. So let's dive in. Before we start, make sure the default WordPress Gutenberg block editor is active on your site. And make sure to install the Blocks free plugin. Step 1. Install and activate the Blocks free plugin. To do that, go to Plugins, click on Add Plugin. Then in the search bar, search for Blocks. This is the plugin. Click on Install Now. Once done, click on Activate. Step 2. Activate the advanced heading block. To do that, go to Blocks, then Blocks, and search for Advanced Heading. This is the block. Simply enable. Let's see the settings of Advanced Heading block from Blocks. Under the Content tab, you will find multiple predefined style for your heading. Each will add a unique style to your heading. This animated split will add an animated effect to your text. We'll see that later in this video. Let's stick with modern for now. From the main heading section, you can set a standard or page title for your heading. In standard, you can set a custom main title, a custom subheading, even an extra title that will be placed between the main heading and subheading. Page title will make your heading dynamic, where the main heading will automatically be your page title, and then you can set subtitle and extra title. Let's continue with standard for now. You will find these three fields only for the modern style. For rest, you will find only two options, main title and subtitle. Then from the extra title position, you can change the position of your extra title. You can place it after title or before title. Then from the subtitle position, you can change the position after title or before title. From the alignment, you can align the content. From the text limit tab, you can limit the title and subtitle. To do that, enable the title and subtitle limit. Then from the title limit toggle, you can limit the main title, where you can set the number of character, or you can limit by word. Then from the ending dot toggle, you can add dots at the end. Similarly, from the subtitle limit toggle, you can limit the subtitle by character or word. Then from the ending dot toggle, you can add dots to your subtitle. Now let's see the animated split style. This will add an animation to your heading. You can select the animation type. You can split by word. You can split by character, or you can animate the entire line. This effect will only work in the front end. Let's keep it to word for now. Keep in mind, in animated split style, you can only add main title. For animated split style, you will find this additional animated split text option. From here, you can change the animation effect. You can change the initial position of the text. You can add scaling to your text. You can rotate the text. From the extra options tab, you can adjust the opacity, speed, and delay of the text as well. This will set the initial state of the text, from which your text will be animated to this state, to the current state, as you can see in the browser. In the style tab, you will find all the styling options required to customize this block. Keep in mind, the styling option will vary depending on your selected style. Let's see the modern style. From main title tab, you can adjust the title tag. You can adjust the title typography. You can even use global typography. You can adjust the text color. You can adjust margin, padding, border radius, background color, box shadow. Then from the subtitle, you can adjust the subtitle tag. You can adjust the subtitle typography, color, margin. From extra title tab, you can adjust the extra title typography, color. In classic style, you will find this separator settings tab. From here, you can add an image for the separator. You can adjust separator color, separator width, separator height. For double border style, again, you will find separator setting, where you can adjust the separator color, top separator height, bottom separator height. Similarly, you will find different styling options for all this predefined styles. In the advanced tab, you will find some additional styling options to style the container of this block. which we have covered in a separate video. So that's it for the advanced heading block. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and do subscribe to the channel for more content like this.